To understand how PRP works on your hair, how it is beneficial for your hair growth, let us understand this with an example. Imagine you have a dry, patchy lawn with thinned grass patches. Instead of using a regular water, you pour a special nutrient-rich liquid with fertilizers that wakes up the soil and helps new grass grow stronger and thicker. So PRP and GFC solutions do the same thing for your hair by providing growth signals to weak hair follicles, making the hair healthier and better and growing faster. So this is the question asked by most of the hair loss patients, and they want to understand that what is PRP and how will this PRP help me with my hair loss. So what is PRP? The full form of PRP is platelet rich plasma. These are your own platelets, they are flowing in your blood. These are just extracted from a different place from your own bloodstream, and they are injected in a different place where it is going to act. How it's going to make your hair better? Let us understand. So your blood is composed of three components, which is RBC, WBC and platelets. Now why do we need these platelets? Because in the platelets are your growth factors. This is a list of growth factors that your platelets have, and when they are injected in your scalp, the growth factors help your roots to function better. It stimulates the stem cells inside your root of the hair follicle and makes them from vellus hair to terminal hair. So what exactly is PRP solution going to do? It's nothing but it's a concentrate of platelets which is suspended in plasma. That is the reason it's called platelet rich plasma. It's nothing but a liquid that is derived from your own blood, which is rich in platelets. Now, how it's going to work? It's going to prolong the growth phase. So your hair grows in different phases. There is a cycle in which your hair grows in a phase-wise manner. So what it's going to do is going to lengthen or prolong the growth phase of your hair. It's going to improve the thinning. So your hair, which over a period of time have become thin because of your genetic factors, responds the best to this treatment. It's going to improve the thinning process, and it's going to increase the blood supply or the vascularity of the surrounding area in which the hair is dwelling. By doing so, it's going to give a good support for your hair to grow. Now, who will help you with the PRP? Where should you get it done? So you should always get your PRP done by a qualified dermatologist, because they will know what concentration of platelets they are using, as well as the method of preparation of PRP, what they are going to use, that they can explain it to you in a better way. Is PRP painful? No, PRP is not painful. Yes, you can say that it's slightly uncomfortable and there will be a little burning sensation post your PRP session. But as such, it's not so painful. Also, many doctors will use spray anesthesia or injectable anesthesia for performing these procedures to make you as comfortable as possible. How many sessions of PRP will I need? At most, 3 sessions is what is minimum required to produce a result. But your dermatologist might tell you to take more than 6 sessions also if your hair loss is an advanced grade of hair loss, or if they feel that you are not responding to a lesser number of sessions of PRP. But always remember, a single session is not going to do any good to you, because these growth factors, these platelets that are injected in your system, in your dermis, is going to take a little while to act. So multiple sessions are required for your PRP. How will I maintain the results post this treatment? Will I always need to take these sessions, or I can maintain the results with something else? Well, for some patients, the dermatologist might recommend taking maintenance sessions as well, which is your 3 to 4 sessions here, to maintain the results that you have achieved with your 6 to 7 sessions. So along with the PRP maintenance, you will also have to take certain medications as well as serums prescribed by your doctor.